Hello, this is one planner. We have to confirm some points. For example, the cover material. This is the paper on the surface, paper hardcover. And we can make it a leather hardcover or linen hardcover, things like that. Second is the spiral, the binding, the spiral color, tab. For example, this one is rose gold. It's twin coil, but we can also make some metal or plastic single coil like this. Third is the inner pages. Usually the normal inner page, for example this paper, it can be 100 GSM offset paper, white color, or we can make a thicker paper as per your requirements. We can add some accessories, for example the protection corner or the pocket on the inside of front cover or back cover. We can add the divider. For example, this planner has divider page. For each part there is one divider page to let the final user find the certain contents easily. And we can add the elastic band. And we can also customize the package. For example, we can add a corrugated gift box or the hardboard gift box. Thank you. If you have any question, please feel free to let me know.